All right, so let's talk about purchases, right? If I go into this business option and I go into the purchase overview, like in this module, we are going to discuss about purchase orders, purchases, bills, how do we create bills, how do we create purchase orders, how do we send it to the supplier or update it to ourselves, how do we know that the bills are paid or are due or are overdue. Everything will be discussed in this video, right? Now what we did, we went into business and purchase overview. In this purchase overview screen, you can see there is a section of bills. Draft, there is no draft. Awaiting approval, there is no awaiting approval bill. Awaiting payments are this. Overdue payments are these. Purchase orders, draft is this, awaiting approval is this, and approved are these, right? So this is a statistic. It is a kind of an initial kind of a window overview. But if I want to create a new bill, I'll just go into creating a new bill from the option of new. From, for example, ABC Furnitures. Date is this. Due date, let's suppose the next day is. We don't have any reference to it. I'll go for the item. For example, I am ordering something, desktop network support via email and phone number, month fixed for, or maybe let's just order a kind of a golf ball, right? We are ordering a golf ball, one quantity, make it 100. 1,200 pound is the price. The VAT is 20%, which is 240, and the total price makes it 1440. Now I have an option to go for approve and add one, or on the other hand, I do have an option to draft, save as draft, save. Now what happens is, you have created a bill, right? Now this bill, now if you can see here, this is saying purchase order PO 0006 is outstanding for the supplier, copy line item to this bill. Now the point is, if you understand, everything is connected and linked. If there is a connection with the supplier, the system will tell you that, see, there is a purchase order pending. If you are actually creating a bill for that purchase order, let's connect it. So now it depends what are you dealing with, right? So now it's a new bill. You can create it from here. If you go back, purchase overview, you can go here. You can create a repeating bill. You can create a credit note. You can create a purchase order. Same is the case with it. You can just create a purchase order. Maybe, for example, we are creating it for smart agency. Purchase order number is this. Due date, delivery date is this. Theme is a standard. We have discussed about these themes in detail initially, right? So now here I'll just select kind of product, one product, 15.95, 3.19 is VAT. Everything is okay. Delivery instructions could be added here if you want to. If you want to add attention details over here, you can do so. Delivery address is here. You can add one as well, and you can simply approve, or you can save it, or save and submit for approval. Like, you can do all actions available here, right? Going back to purchase overview, if you see, there's a section of bills. If I want to see the paid bills only, it will create a bill section for me where I can see all paid bills on the same window. If I want to see all, I can see all from here, waiting, payment, paid, everything, right? There is a separate tab for each option. you can utilize, and you can obviously create a new bill or new repeating bill. You can create a new credit note from here as well. Okay, same is the case with purchase orders. If you see here, there is a purchase order. If you want to see all, you can click it and it will show you all purchase orders available, right? So I hope it is clear and there is no ambiguity from the perspective of purchase orders and the bills of purchases. Thank you.